Hey y'all, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Samantha from Polk Farms. Today I'm walking you through exactly how we raise our meat rabbits step by step. If you've ever thought about raising your own meat but have felt completely overwhelmed, then this video is for you. I'm going to be breaking it down into plain language. I'll show you the breeds we use, how we house them, what they eat, and how fast they grow. And yes, we will be touching on how we harvest them as well. Raising meat isn't a hobby, it's food security, it's independence. And if we can do it on one income raising 2 little kids, then you can do it too. So let's start with why we raise meat rabbits in the first place. They're quiet, they're clean, they don't smell like chickens, and they're super efficient. Rabbits convert feed faster than just about any other animal, and you don't need acres of land to raise them. You can raise enough meat to feed your family in your backyard if you wanted to. They're also easier on the budget. You're not spending hundreds of dollars building a coop or dealing with heat lamps, brooder boxes, and you're also not having to buy new chicks every few months. One of the biggest reasons that we chose meat rabbits is because you can harvest them year-round. They breed quickly, they grow fast, and you can raise them ethically and humanely in a very small setup. It just makes sense for families like ours who want to eat clean, save money, and be more self-sufficient. Not all rabbits are created equal when it comes to meat. Our go-to breed is New Zealand Whites. These are known for their fast growth, good size, and calm temperament. You want something that's got good meat-to-bone ratio and also has strong mothering instincts if you're planning to breed. You can usually find them through local breeders, farm swaps, or even homesteading groups on Facebook. Just make sure you're not buying somebody's pet bunny and expecting it to produce meat like a meat breed would, because it wouldn't. Now let's talk about where they live. We've got a few options: wire cages, hutches, or colony-style setups. We personally use the colony style setup because it was our cheapest option, but we are considering doing a colony style setup for our grow outs and doing wire cages for our expecting mamas in the future. Our setup now is we have our mamas and their babies on one side and we have our grow outs and our buck on the other side. But the key thing that your rabbits need are airflow, shelter from rain and predators, and easy access to clean water. Our rabbit setup is in an old chicken coop. We place metal and old fencing on the bottom to prevent digging out, and we have metal on the sides to prevent predators from trying to get in, and also utilize the deep litter method. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just needs to be functional, easy to clean, and safe. Feeding rabbits is simple, but it does matter. We feed a mix of quality pellets, fresh alfalfa, and whatever seasonal forage or garden scraps that we may have. We give fresh water every day, and in the summer that means checking it often because rabbits drink a lot more water than you think. Daily care consists of feeding, watering, and making sure that everybody is safe and healthy. And you'll learn to spot things like fur mites, droopy ears, or digestive issues. Clean cages, happy rabbits, no drama. Breeding is simple once you get the hang of it. We breed our does around 6 months old. We place our buck on the mama side of our cage for a couple of days and then magic happens. Gestation is about 30 days, and a few days before birth, we refresh our nesting boxes by putting fresh hay in them. The kits are born super small and hairless, but they grow super fast. They nurse on their mama for the first 4 weeks, and by 4 to 5 weeks, they're out of the nesting boxes and hopping around eating solid food. We separate them from their mom around 5 to 6 weeks, and around 10 to 12 weeks they'll be ready to harvest depending on their size. Let's talk about the part that most people want to tiptoe around: harvesting. Yes, we process our rabbits ourselves. It's fast, humane, and honestly less traumatizing than most people would think. We do it with respect and we waste nothing. For our family, it's not just about meat, it's about knowing where our food comes from and being proud of how we raised it. I won't show that part on this video, but I will be sharing our full process in a separate video for those who really want to learn. If you've been thinking about raising your own meat, I hope that this video gives you the confidence to be able to start. Rabbits are one of the easiest ways to take control of your food, and if you do it right, it can absolutely feed your entire family. If this video helped you, leave a comment down below and let me know what topic you want me to dive deeper into. And make sure to hit that subscribe button because I've got more detailed videos coming soon for how we built our rabbit setup to how we harvest and preserve our food step by step. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.